Alright, is it working? Okay, great, it's on. Yeah, it's on. So we're back. And what are we doing this time? You don't know? No, I don't know. Well, you tell me, man, it's your video. So this time, we're gonna make a fun breakfast sandwich. But we're gonna use a special ingredient today, so this is gonna be a little bit different. Sounds exciting. Alright, so the first thing you wanna do is you wanna get our secret ingredient, liquid honey. Oh, wow, liquid honey. Yeah, now you're gonna have to open it first. Well, that shouldn't be too challenging. You know, you say that, but every time, it usually is. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, it really doesn't want to open. Oh, man, I hate when this happens. Why didn't you just open it before the video? Because I didn't think of that. So you're gonna have to use a knife to cut it. Hopefully that'll weaken it up a bit. You just tear it open with your hands, whatever. Get over there. Okay. Perfect. Just fine. I don't think that's how it's supposed to go. You know what? It's fine. Just leave it. Okay, so you get your honey open. That's step one. Not too hard. Now what you want to do, make sure that the hole is there. So you want to use your honey to soften up these Eggos. Trust me, this is going to be good. You want them to be nice and soft. This seems like a good idea. Yeah, trust me, this works really good. Okay, so then after you've softened them up a bit, and you can put some on the bacon too. So I actually did make the bacon crispy because when you put the honey on the crispy bacon, it tastes really good. You'll have to try it yourself to understand, but trust me on this. This works really good. Okay, so after you've done that, make sure that your eggs don't burn. I think you already screwed up that one. Nah, they're okay. Put these on. You know what? I'll have that. I'll have the burnt one. Ah, they're stuck together. Sometimes that happens. We just gotta separate them. What kind of eggs did you use? Are they Chancy eggs? Oh, you know Chancy eggs are way too expensive. We don't use Chancy eggs. Ooh. Okay. There we go. Now you just put your bacon on. Oh. Check it out. And then you put it all together and you have a honey breakfast sandwich. Oh, it looks pretty good, eh? Do you want to try it out? Yeah, let's try it out. It's good. It's a little bit messy up. Get some honey over it. Oh, but it's good. Save some for me. Oh yeah, they're delicious. I know, it's cool. I got this honey right outside the house too. Really? Yeah. Did you get it from some combies? No, I got it from a beedrill colony. You got this from beedrills? Yeah.